Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had seen indent text and margin, working with tabs and find and replace text. Today we are going to discuss drawing tools. So let's start. Let's start with working with shapes. So MS Word provide tools for creating different shapes such as rectangles, circle, star, banners, lines, arrows, flowchart, symbol and callouts. You can draw these shapes by clicking shape under insert tab. Okay, while creating a document sometimes we need shapes to draw in our document. So MS Word provides that facility to insert some shapes in our document like rectangle, circle, star, banners, line, arrow, etc. Okay, now how to draw the shapes in our document. So let's see the step. So drawing basic shapes with style. The basic shapes include triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, etc. However, you can also draw block, arrows, flowchart, symbol and callouts. Let us learn how to draw a few shapes and fill them with color in different style. So first step which you have to follow, let me read out the step first and I'll show you the practical how to insert the shape in our document. Okay, so first step, click insert tab. Second step, click shapes. Third step, select the shape that you want to draw. Fourth step, bring your mouse pointer to the working area from where you want to begin the shape. Fifth step, click and drag the mouse pointer till the desired size and the shape is drawn. Release the mouse button. Now let me show you the practical. So this is the page and this is the area where I want to insert the shape. So first step which you have to follow, first click on insert tab. Here we have the insert tab as you can see on the screen. Just click on insert tab. Then second step, click shapes. So here you can see the shapes option. Just click on that. Then you will get list of shapes according to your desire. You can choose any one. Okay, like I am going to choose this is star. Okay, so just select it, then press left click and drag as much you want. The size depend on your dragging. Okay, now you can see the shape appear. Now from shape style you can give the color and all. You can give the color, style and all. Okay, like you can see on the screen. This is how you can insert the shape in your document. Okay. Now placing text in shapes. This is one of the options available in shapes tool under insert tab to make the text more attractive. The various effects can be given by following these steps. Step number 1, click insert tab. Step number 2, click shapes and select the shape that you want to draw. Step number 3, click more button available in the shape style group. Step number 4, select the style and color of your choice from the shape style. Step number 5, right click within the box and select add text. Step number 6, write the text within the box drawn. You can also change color of the text written within the box. Step number 7, finally click outside the box. Thus the text will appear inside the box. Okay, now let me show you the practical. Suppose this is the document where you want to insert the shape. So first click on insert tab, then click on shape option, then choose any shape from here like star. Now press left click and drag as much you want. Okay, now you can see the shape style came here. Now here we have more option. Okay, in shape style group. Okay, here we have more option. Just click on that. Here you will get list of style and you can choose any style from here. Okay, like this one I am taking. Okay, so this is how you can give the style to a particular shape. Now how to write text in shape. So first select the shape, then press right click, then we'll get the option add text here. As you can see on the screen, just click on add text. Now you can see the cursor here. That means now you are able to write anything here like star star. Okay, If you want to change the color and size of the text, that you can do. Just select the text, then go to the home tab, then from here you can change the size, like 26 I am giving. From here you can change the color. Okay, this is how you can place the text in shape. Understood? Now border and shading. When you are preparing a report or project on some topic, then you may need to highlight some paragraph or text to draw extra attention of the reader. The border is an outline given to a page or a paragraph to grasp the reader attention. This can be done by applying border and shading to paragraph or to the entire page depending upon the user. Okay, so now how to apply this? Applying border to perform this task. So step number 1, let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical. Okay, so step number 1, at first select the paragraph or the page to be highlighted. Click border tool in paragraph group under home tab. Select border and shading option from the drop down list. It display borders and shading window. Step number 4, click borders tab and select the type of border under setting option. Step number 5, select the style, color and the width of the border from the options. Step number 6, under applied to section, select paragraph as shown. You can also see the preview of the border and preview section. Step number 7, finally click OK. Thus the border is applied to the selected paragraph as shown here. Okay, now let me show you the practical. So first select the paragraph where you want to apply border. Okay, second, click border tool in paragraph group. This is the paragraph group and here we have border tool. Okay, third step, select borders and shading. Here we have borders and shading, just click on that. Then it display border and shading window. This is the border and shading window. Fourth step, click borders tab and select type of border under setting option. Here you can see, here we have types of border. We can choose any one, like this 3D one I am going to choose. Okay, now select the style, color, width of the border from the option. Here from here you can change the style, like this one I am going to select. From here you can change the color, like blue or green, and from here you can change the width. Okay, from here you can change the width. Okay, now click OK. Now you can see on the screen the border applied to a particular paragraph. This is how you can apply border in your paragraph. Okay, now the last is applying shading. It is the feature that allow you to color the background behind the selected text or paragraph. It draw attention of the reader or viewer and also makes your document look attractive. To perform this task, follow these steps. Step number 1, select the text or paragraph. Step number 2, click the shading tool in the paragraph group under home tab. It display a drop down list showing theme color. Step number 3, select an appropriate color from the theme colors or standard colors. Thus the selected color is shown as background color for the selected text or the paragraph. Okay, now let me show you the practical. So first step, select the text or paragraph. I'm going to select the paragraph. Second step, click the shading tool in paragraph group. Click the shading tool in paragraph group. Okay, so this is the shading tool in paragraph group. Then click on this border and shading. Then click on this shading option. Okay, then here you will get theme color. As you can see, no color, just click on this arrow, you will get the theme colors. You can choose any color from here, like yellow color I'm going to choose. Okay, then click OK. You can notice the color appear just behind the text. That means that is in background. Understood? This is how you can apply shading. Understood? So today we have discussed about shapes, applying border and applying shading. So children, what is border? The border is an outline given to a page or paragraph to make the content more attractive. Okay. Now what is the use of shading? Shading allow you to color the background behind the selected text or paragraph. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.